नमः शिवाभ्यां नवयौवनाभ्यां परस्पराश्लिष्टवपुर्धराभ्यां नगेन्द्रकन्या वृषकेतनाभ्यां नमो नमः शङ्करपार्वतीभ्याम्। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। ओम नमः शिवाय। विग्रहं पूजयोद्यो वै वापि महात्मनः लिंगं पूजयिता नित्यं महतीं श्रियमश्नुते। The sloka says that whoever worships the idol or the sacred linga rupa of the supreme being Lord Shiva with devotion receives great prosperity, abundance of fortune and his divine grace. Mahashivaratri is the sacred day when Lord Shiva manifesting himself in the form of the Linga Rupa.
ओम श्री शिवाय गुरवे नमः। शिवरात्रा वहोरात्रं निराहारो जितेन्द्रियः अर्चयेद्वा यथा न्यायं यथा ऐलमवञ्चकः. It's mean on Mahashivratri day, Lingodbhava Kalam is very sacred. Observing fasting, all night worship, and keep chanting the name of Lord Shiva name during this time leads to the forgiveness of sins and accumulation of punya. One more important thing is health comes first. If you are unwell or health restrictions, please don't fasting. Just keep chanting the name of Shiva. Please come to our temple, participate in the pujas, get the prasadam and receive Lord Shiva's blessings. Thank you. Happy Mahashivratri. God bless you.
उमाकान्ताय कान्ताय कामितार्थप्रदायिने श्रीगिरीशाय देवाय मल्लिनाथाय मङ्गलम्।